Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma attended the funeral service of His Holiness Pope Francis at the Vatican on Saturday, joining thousands of people gathered at St. Peter's Square to pay their final respects. He shared that he felt truly blessed to be part of the solemn ceremony, recalling his meeting with the Pope a few years earlier and describing the experience as deeply meaningful. Sangma remarked that even in death, Pope Francis continued to unite people from around the world as reflected in the large turnout at the funeral. He conveyed that the Pope would be greatly missed and wished for his soul to rest in eternal peace. Sangma had previously met Pope Francis at the Vatican in December 2022, during which he had requested the pontiff to pray for the state, the nation and its people.
I feel truly blessed today to be part of the funeral service of Pope Francis. I had the opportunity to meet him a couple of years back, and today to be part of the funeral service is very solemn, and I truly feel very, very blessed. And today, even on his funeral, like he did when he was alive, he united people. And even today, in his funeral, he has united people. People from all over the world today have come to pay their respects to Pope Francis. We will miss him, and may his soul rest in eternal peace.